There has been a lot of buzz in the cryptocurrency world lately. It better to call it a fallen than a tumult. Why the cryptocurrency having the crash? What is actually happening? So before we start, if you're new, make sure you stay with the channel for more. So before that, what is actually FTX? Cryptocurrency exchange act as online marketplace where anyone can buy digital currency like Bitcoin, Ethereum. FTX was one of the largest exchange in the world. It was valued at 32 billion US dollar in 2022 funding round. 30-year-old Sam Bankman-Fried is the founder and the chief executive of FTX. Bankman-Fried was the rank 41 in the Forbes magazine list for America's richest people on September 27 with a net worth of 17.2 billion American dollar. As soon as FTX declared bankruptcy, Bankman-Fried assets fell to $0. That is, he is now destitute from the owner of 1,89,200 crore rupees. The bankruptcy of FTX has caused terribly unhelped in the world of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin in worth $68,000 is now only $17,000. Last week, CoinDesk published a report questioning about the FTX Almad Research, a trading company owned by Bankman-Fried, are related. By law, the two are supposed to be separate, but it turns out Bankman-Fried traded over 10 billion American dollar from Almedia Research with FTX buyers' money. As a result, the cryptocurrency issued by FTX is named FTT. Changpeng Zhao, who is the CEO of FTX's biggest rival, Binance, where Binance announced on Sunday that Binance will sell about 530 million American dollar in FTT. FTX customers withdrew about 654 million American dollar from FTX on Monday. Another $5 billion are requested to be withdrawn, with FTX not having enough money in its reserves. FTX announced on Friday morning that it would file for bankruptcy along with Alameda and other affiliate companies. Bankman-Fried also resigned as CEO. According to experts, the collapse of FTX, which has been placed of trust in cryptocurrencies, has caused great concern in their industries. This week, chaos has upset and worried investors who invested in FTX and crypto markets with faith and fear that could lose their money, said the Rena Agarwal, director of Georgetown University Pessore's Center of the Financial Market and Policies. The price of the most famous cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, fell by 15% following the incident. Will the cryptocurrency collapse completely this time? Well, we'll have to wait and see if that is actually the case, but Yasha Yadav, a law professor at Vanderbilt University who closely follows cryptocurrency and financial market, described the last situation as apocalyptic. FTX's collapse means not just a kind of natural chaos for the industry but also a lot of concern about the celebrating of the industry and its ability to run itself. Will the FTX customers get their money back? Well, now this question is bothering almost everyone. The reason should be understood by now. Barry Adler, a law professor at New York University, said the FTX customers ultimately have the money to return in their investment. They will get their money back, but investors don't seem to get anything if FTX returns the money to the contracted company first. It is not yet possible to say what will happen in the end, as events can take any decision or directions at any time, but it is easy to say that the situation is quite dire now. But this incident should be a big lesson for the investor to understand the projects as they are investing on. And yeah, that's all from today, guys. I hope you all are also concerned with the issue now. Let me know in the comment section what you all are thinking, and if you're new, make sure you subscribe. See you all soon. Till then, have fun, good luck, and peace.